Summer is here and it is really hot. And if you need a way to stay cool, you should get yourself some of these cooling towels. I wasn't sure how or if they were going to work, and they surprisingly actually do. They come in a set of 4 with some really fun colors. All you have to do is take your towel and you're going to put it in some cool water. You can even do a bowl of ice water if you want, and then you're just going to wring it out so it keeps your towel nice and cold. So, and then what you're going to do is they come with these pouches as well and some carabiners, so you can attach this to your bag, you can attach it to your keys, wherever you want to put it, and you just put it in there and it's going to stay nice and wet. And then when you're somewhere where you're really hot and uncomfortable, honestly, you wrap this on your head. You can wrap this around and you just have that cold towel on your neck, on your head. Honestly, I feel like you instantly feel cold. Let's see, Walter, what do you think? Does it feel nice and cool? You can even put it on your pets if you need to. So honestly, if you need a great way to stay nice and cool this summer, get yourself some of these cooling towels.